Welcome back to another Tech for Gamers tutorial, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Subnautica game. So let's get started right away. If your game is in a different language and you wish to change this, then first of all open up the game, and from the main menu, click on the second option. This is the options page, where you will need to go into the General tab. Within the General tab, the very first option is the language menu. You can click on the left and the right arrows to cycle through the various languages that are available, and then click on Apply to apply your changes. After this, you can start enjoying your game with your chosen language, and you may change this at any point of time by once again going into the second option from the main menu, and from the first menu, you can choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your in-game language on the Subnautica game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.